that's going to set the stage for my next project, which is Indy 500. Now check this out. I've got 3 Indy 500s to do for one guy. One guy's getting 3 Indy 500s. Now granted, they're all going to get built a bit differently. Now the first one is going to be the most basic. I think it's getting some chrome trim, but other than that, no frills, nothing fancy. I'm going to actually restore the original cabinet, restore the original play field, and just kind of keep it somewhat as true to form as possible. But you know, there's certain quality standards and stuff like that that are going to be met around here no matter what you're doing. But it'll be a good basic old school restoration is what I would call that. Speaking of which, I had to look on the computer and make sure I had some teardown photos. It's been a long time since I've done one of these, and so I was looking on the computer, and I think the last time I did one of these was 2006. So 20 years ago. I was, how old was I? I guess I was 33 years old the last time I did one. So I've learned a lot since then. But nonetheless, it should be pretty good, pretty interesting. If you like that more purist style restoration where somebody does fix the old cabinet and does restore the original playfield, then this will be a good one to watch. And then when I get into number 2 and 3, we'll go over that when that time comes. But basically be building momentum. Number 2 is going to be kind of like what I would consider mid-level. And then number 3, that'll be over the top. And I don't even know what that means yet. Who knows? That could be anything. If you looked at my Indiana Jones project, you'll know that could go anywhere. But nonetheless, that's where things are at. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll try to give you some good detailed explanations and some good hands-on process videos along the way while I'm doing these types of things, because these are going to be a little bit more intricate than just like, oh, here's the new cabinet, I'm going to prime and paint that, or here's the new playfield, I'm going to clear that. Obviously, we're going to have to rework this stuff, so we'll see how that goes. And again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It's super important because it just lets me know I'm not wasting my time. And all I'm really trying to do is just document my work. I'm going to be doing it anyway. If you want to see it, I'll show it to you. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one.